Today our topic is your quality factor of cavity resonator. In the low frequency, we use a lumped element such like your inductor or capacitor, where Q factor is related your F naught divided by your bandwidth. Similar function are also used here. Quality factor F naught means center frequency upon bandwidth is resonance frequency. In resonance frequency not the quality factor is the ratio of this one. Okay, the quality factor of cavity resonator, to see here, quality factor of any resonance circuit is measure of frequency selectivity defined by your equation of this one. Q is equal to omega naught W upon P. Omega naught is your resonance frequency. Quality factor is used here. Q is equal to omega naught W upon P. Omega naught is your resonant frequency, W is your maximum energy store, and P is your power loss, average power losses. Next, to define your quality factor, the quality factor, to see here, equal to Q is equal to 2 pi multiply by your maximum energy store per cycle upon energy dissipated for a cycle. This why this equation be defined here. Q is the 2 pi times the ratio of maximum energy stored per cycle to energy dissipated for a cycle. This is your quality factor. The quality factor is the measure of frequency selectivity. Frequency selectivity means, suppose in ideal consider what happened, the quality factor is infinite. In ideal, what happened, quality factor is infinite, means the better of Q is the better your frequency selectivity. Means suppose this is your bandwidth is, suppose there is a here bandwidth is a point form, means suppose their bandwidth is 0. Bandwidth is 0 means resonance frequency means F naught is of this one, a particular frequency of F naught, means F naught upon bandwidth is 0. Now this is your Q. Now Q is come here infinite. This is your ideal condition of quality factor of value. Means if ideal contention is infinite, then in the practically we use as a very high of Q is the better for frequency selectivity. This is your defined as a Q is 2 pi times a ratio of maximum energy stored per cycle upon energy dissipated for a cycle. Next, here the written Q of a perfect or ideal cavity resonator is infinite. Already we have defined when bandwidth is equal to 0, to put the by the relation bandwidth is 0 and center is the frequency of naught. By this relation, Q is come to infinite. Since in a perfect conductor, when the perfect conductor is form a cavity, then by that condition this infinite is come. Otherwise some is losses. In the perfect conductor, here is written power would be 0, means there is no losses, means energy when the energize your cavity, then your provide a resonator forever. Overall, when the perfect condition is available, then quality factors come your infinite and power loss is 0. Now to see here, if there is more than one resonant frequency, there will be different values of Q. When the resonant frequency is different, the values also of Q is come the different value. Now for the perfect, only one Q is better for the any one circuit. For energize your cavity, we use a coupling devices such like your coupling loops are used to couple energy in and out of your cavity resonator. This coupling has the effect of imperfectly walls. This should change the value of Q. The conclusion of this one, when coupling devices are used to couple the energy of your cavity resonator in and out, there is a imperfect of walls. That's why the value of Q is changes. That's why one of the term is defined here is the QL. This is a loaded Q. Loaded Q is the, what is the Q loaded Q? Q that is take the, this is a Q, loaded Q is the, this is a Q that takes into account a coupling between cavity and coupling path. This is called as a loaded Q. This one of the relation is loaded Q is equal to 1 upon Q naught plus 1 upon Q external. Q naught is your Q of unloaded cavity. Q external is the Q due to external losses. The conclusion of this one, quality factor, this is a resonance circuit measure a frequency selectivity, means by the quality factor to select a frequency selectivity of a resonance frequency. The Q is infinite for a ideal condition. In the ideal condition, power is losses is also a 0 due to perfect of walls of cavity. But practically there is no perfect of walls. By this reason, your Q is changes. Now the Q is changes. Now this Q is taken account. The coupling between cavity and cavity path is defined. One of the QL is QL as a loaded QL. Means the losses which is come between cavity and coupling path. The Q is defined as a QL. Also, when cavity is unloaded, means the energy is not, the EM energy is not energize your cavity. This is a use as a, what you use here, the symbol is Q naught. When there is losses, that is dependent on your Q external. This is your quality factor of cavity resonator. Next, to move your reentrant cavity. To see here, the reentrant cavity is the, how the cavity is used in your, such like your devices, your klystron tube. To see here how the cavity is created, in this topic to see reentrant cavity. We have seen below the microwave frequency, cavity resonance can be represented as a lump component. Means below micro frequency we use a L and C parallel combination. Okay. Next, to move to higher frequency, means at a microwave frequency B reduces the value of inductance and capacitance. Inductance and capacitance should be reduced to the minimum level. Next, to means to form a cavity resonator, the inductance and capacitance value is reduces to a minimum level. Next one, the reentrant cavity. Here defined, the reentrant cavity is one in which the metallic boundary extended into the interior of your cavity. Means reentrant cavity is the one which the metallic boundary extended in your interior of cavity. That is called reentrant cavity. Also, to see here, the extended into the interior of cavity. To see here, this is your coaxial cavity. This is your coaxial cavity. Now, the word used here, the metallic boundary extended into the interior of cavity. To see here, the cross-sectional view of this coaxial cavity, means this is your Now this your length is reduces or radius is reduces to form this one. Also length is also divided in this form to form a coaxial cavity. There is several types of re-entrant cavity. To see here only three types are indicated here. Coaxial cavity, this one coaxial cavity, radial cavity, and this is a toroidal cavity. The coaxial cavity, to see here, we have already seen the cavity is the, we put a plate open-ended both sided. Also this is a put a plate. Now this is form a cavity. In the coaxial is the coaxial structure. Now put a both sided open-ended. Now put a plate or sorting plate. That is now form a cavity. Now the word is here, the metallic boundary extended into the interior of cavity. This one to see here. Now this is your diameter. Now diameter is reduces in this form. This is also in this open and open side and also other side open area. To see here, this is your length. Now length is your form this form. This is your length. Now this one form this one. This is your now reduces of exterior of interior region. Now this one reduces this one. This will come. Now this is your length is. Now this one come. This one come. And next this is your 2a and you use here 2b means 2a is this one means 2a is this one and 2b is the this one means this one your length 2b means diameter is formed means suppose this is a b and this is a b. Now come as a 2b. This is formed your of this area is the 2a. D is the of this one area. P and Q indicate here. This is a sorting plate. RS is also indicated here. This one side of sorting plate. This is a cross section view of cavity. Now this is written here. Coaxial cavity is similar to coaxial lines sorted at the both side ended and joined at a center by a capacitor. Such like here is formed as a capacitor formation. Next, to see here, the inductance and resistance losses are decreased in the coaxial cavity and radiation losses is also reduced due to your self-shielding enclosure. The application of re-entrant cavity is used such like your Klystron and microwave toroids. To see next one is the coupling to cavity. How coupling in cavity? The means how the field is inside your cavity is exists by using a coupling devices such like your coupling devices is loop coupling and next one is your Irises and aperture coupling. By using this one we excite your resonator which is modulated electron wave passing through a small gap in your resonator in the direction of electric field. Means by this coupling devices we energize your cavity